Oh, I know what the man do.
Oh, God, what time? Most of the presents, right?
Merry Christmas to all our lovelies. Merry Christmas from us to you.
Night.
And see you next
year.
See you next year.
See you next year.
Next month.
Well, next month, yeah, it's true. So, go and have your Christmas rice. What are you having today?
Jollof rice.
Jollof rice and turkey, chicken and rishi.
Offe
Agriculture. Let's go and have Christmas dinner.
Let's go.
See you later.
Okay. Done.
Cheese. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you next month. See you next year. Emma. Manuel.
Here comes the 3 to the 4 to the 5.
Good.
No, he's fine. He's fine. No. Yeah. Paul.
Cheese.
Hey,